ASCB as a community have a lot of other workshops and other information on their website which helps to grow in your career. So these opportunities are like only available for the members, so I did that membership for that reason.
It's a great place to meet people because there are lots of posters. You really get a good sense of what goes on in your field, and then through the mini symposium and conferences, you're able to catch up in other fields.
So ASCB has some really great resources for your CV formatting and like career options, and like you have job openings on the portal. So it's like really helpful to navigate through all of those options and like get to know various opportunities that we have in the field.
My job is primarily education, and I'm at an undergraduate institution. And when I was in grad school at Johns Hopkins and a postdoc at WashU, nobody really knew that area. But when I joined ASCB, I became a part of the education community, joined the education committee, got involved in LSC, the education journal, and my whole worldview expanded.
I think ASCB's been one of the societies that's been the most active in promoting the support of science, both through public education but also through their public affairs committee. And that was very important in the 90s and 2000s when funding was a lot more difficult. The increases in NIH were a lot more difficult than they are now. And I think ASCB took the lead, and the Public Policy Committee took the lead, and I think that had a big impact on all of science.
ASCB has given me a voice, I guess, as a student, and the ability to have a voice in discussions about things like how do we make science more open and accessible, and actually writing articles about things that I care about on the ASCB Post. And so yeah, really ASCB has given me a voice and made me feel like it's an organization that's more than just something I list on a CV, but something I'm involved in.
And I find myself like becoming a better scientist the more I learn about all the new things happening here. So it's been very helpful to me. Yeah.
My very first conference I came to was an ASCB member, my very first year of grad school, and through grad school, my postdoc, and now when I'm starting my own lab, it's really been a scientific home for me, not only for the great science that you get here, but also meeting friends and meeting people and changing the boundaries in the way you think about science and cell biology specifically.